Question: ds. In the xy coordinate plane, line L passes through the point a, 2. What is the slope of line L? Condition 1. Line L passes through the point 2, 0. Condition 2. Line L passes through the point 6, a. Solution: let's solve this ds question using the variable approach. When a line passes through x1, y1 and x2, y2, we use this formula to calculate its slope. Slope equal to change in y over change in x, that equals to y2 minus y1 whole over x2 minus x1. Since there are 4 variables, x1, y1, x2, and y2, E is most likely to be the answer. Let's apply the 3 steps suggested previously. Follow the first step of the variable approach by modifying and rechecking the original condition and the question. We have to find the slope of line L which passes through the point a, 2. Let x2, y2 be a, 2. Follow the second and third steps. From the original condition, we have 3 variables, a, x1, and y1. To match the number of variables with the number of equations, we need 3 equations. Since conditions 1 and 2 will provide just 1 equation each, it's about 80% likely E is the answer. Recall 3 principles and choose E as the most likely answer. Let's take a look at conditions 1 and 2 together. Line L passes through a, 2 and 2, 0 and 6, a. If we plug these values into the slope formula, we get 2 minus 0 over a minus 2 equal to a minus 0 over 6 minus 2. Since we have 3 points on the line, and the slopes of the 2 line segments joining them must be equal. Let's try to work out the value of a. Rearranging gives 2 minus 0 over a minus 2 equal to a minus 0 over 6 minus 2, which gives 2 over a minus 2 equal to a over 4, which then gives that 8 equal to a times whole of a minus 2, which means a squared minus 2 times a minus 8 equal to 0. That is, a minus 4 times whole of a plus 2 equal to 0. This means that either a equal to 4 or a equal to negative 2. If we substitute these values into 2 over a minus 2, we get 1 or negative 1 over 2 as the slope. According to common mistake type 2, the number of answers must be 1 or else the answer is not unique. So conditions 1 and 2 combined are not sufficient. There are 4 variables because you have coordinates that have 2 variables in each one. Both conditions 1 and 2 together are not sufficient, thus E is the correct answer. Answer E.